Hello students, today we are going to start Standard 7th Subject Maths Practice Set 43 of chapter number 11. Choose the correct option. That means the question is given to you. You have to choose the correct option by solving in the rough work, the solution. So first let's read the question. If arc AXB and arc AYB are the corresponding arc and measure arc AXB and is equal to 120, then measure arc AYB we don't know. So first of all we will draw a imaginary circle which is having a arc, that is AXB, and another arc AYB, the two arc which is corresponding to each other. So now here measure arc AXB is given, that is 120, but we don't know AYB, so we have to find this. So as you know students, the measurement of whole circle is 360. So that means we will write here the solution. The sum of the measure of the two corresponding arc will be 360, right? One arc plus two arc will be 360. So the measure arc AXB, as we know, plus next measure arc AYB equal to 360, because the whole circle is know the value 360. So we know AXB, that is 120, but we don't know AYB. So as it is we will write, and 360 as it is here. Now what we don't know here, AYB arc. So we will take out outside this measure arc AYB equal to 360 minus 120. So you will do minus, you will get 240. So that means the correct option is third, 240 degree. Now let's see the second sum. Some arc are shown in a circle with center O. Write the names of the minor arc, major arc and semicircle arc from among them. That means question is given and circle diagram is given to you. So what you have to find? The name of minor arc, major arc, semicircle in this way. So let's write the solution of this question. So minor arc, as you know students, PXQ, or you can say QXP. Anyhow you can take. So this is the minor arc, small arc, that is called as a minor arc. So minor arc will be PR, this is, next RY, then next YQ, next QX, and next QP. These all are minor arcs. Now see the second, major arc. Major arc is PQR. This is called as the major arc. Starting from here, ending to R. That means PQR, or otherwise you can take PYR. This is also major arc. So major arc will be PYQ. Next RQY, in this way, RQY. Any two endpoint you have to choose and you can take. So here see endpoint X and P is there. So X and P. So you can take XQP or XYP, or you can take XRP. Okay. So here I have taken XQP. Okay, so same way, next you will choose, see here endpoint Q and X. So that means this is the end, starting and end point. So QYX, or you can write QRX in this way. Now let's see the semicircle arc QPR. So this is very simple. Semicircle means half circle. QPR. This is the one arc, and another arc will be QYR. So in this way you have to complete minor arc, major arc and semicircle arc. Now let's see the third question. last question. In a circle with center O, the measure of a minor arc is 110. What is the measure of major arc PYQ? The same diagram will be there. So in this center is O, or you can draw with your own also. So one major arc is given, that is 110. So what will be the major arc of PYQ? We have to check this arc. Major arc we know, sorry, minor arc we know, that is 110, and we have to find the major arc. So let's write major minor arc PXQ, this is minor arc na, plus major arc PYQ, and whole circle is of 360. So as you know, the minor arc is 110 and major arc we don't know. So as it is we will write, and 360 here. Now what we don't know? Major arc. So major arc outside we will write 360 minus 110. You will get 250. So therefore you can write the measure of the major arc PYQ is 250. So we get the major arc, that is 250 degree. So in this way you have to complete this practice set, and here we complete the chapter. Thank you, students.